Do you want to know how you can change or add currency on Melbet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change or add the currency on your account on Melbet. So go ahead and open melbet.in and then log into your account. After you log into your account, go ahead and hover around your profile, which is here, and click on Bet or account settings. So after you click on account settings, you can see over here you can select your currency and add it to your account or add a new account over here. So your main account is here. You can also click customize and your current currency is selected to NPR. So in order for you to select another currency, just go ahead and click on this drop down menu and you can see most of the currencies available over here. So let's go ahead and select US dollar and click add. Click OK and you can see the other currencies are also selected here. You can click on customize and you can keep it over here. And you can see that you have currently selected the default currency as USD. You can change it anytime by clicking on any other currencies over here. Click add and you can see that it is successful. Now the current is selected at USD. For you to select euro, so go ahead and click on customize and you can see the other over here. So go ahead and click on it and click OK. And there you go. This is how you change or select your currency on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.